Okay, today we're looking at a 2017 Chevrolet Sonic LS. It's got 40,000 miles on it, silver ice metallic in color, got a clean CARFAX, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the wind deflectors right here. Driver's side of the Sonic's in great shape. Does have rear backup camera. Alright, make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks good here. Alright, once again, it's a 2017 Chevrolet Sonic. 40,000 miles, clean CARFAX, one owner. Got the gray and black door panels. It's got power locks, but manual mirrors, manual windows. Okay. Carpet's in good shape. Gray cloth seating. Driver's seat looks good. Okay, got a power outlet here. Does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Okay. Passenger seat cloth's in great shape. No problems there. It is an automatic. Okay, got your auxiliary and USB port down there. Climate control area. Gonna have your radio display and backup camera right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and check the mileage. Alright, it's got 40,623 miles. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display. Okay, those are your apps there. Go ahead and activate the backup camera. Alright, let's see if I can dim that down for you just a bit. No, that's about all you get right there. Okay, well, you can see the guidelines on there. Okay, go ahead and put it back in park. Got your climate control area here. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out and take a look at the back seat. Door panels back here look good. Same thing, got the manual windows here. Alright, carpet back here is nice and clean, no staining. Seats look good, no problems at all back here with the cloth. Okay, alright, you can lift the seats up and get access to the trunk this way. Let's see, move that seatbelt out of there. There we go. Alright, go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and layout. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Alright, carpet back here nice and clean. I'll step to the side, but you can see the depth of just how much space you got. Quite a bit of room in the back of this Cruze. Alright, got your jack and spare tire under there. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tire. One thing I wanted to point out to you, just a little crease right here in the side of the passenger door there. That will be professionally fixed. Just want to point that out there to you though. We do have, see what size, 15-inch steel wheels. Got the nice plastic hubcaps on there. Tires are still in good shape. Alright, plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2017 Chevrolet Sonic LS, 40,000 miles on it, clean CARFAX, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.